Video, EFF's Floyd Shivambu beat and kick Network 24 journalist. Cape Town, Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, Deputy President Floyd Shivambu attacked Network 24 journalist Adrian de Kock at Parliament on Tuesday. De Kock said the scuffle occurred after he approached Shivambu for comment about Patricia de Lille's disciplinary hearing. Speaking after the incident, de Kock said Shivambu demanded that he delete his photos. He went for my camera and then tried to break my camera. And then obviously I said to him, you can't, you have to stop, I'm going to lay assault charges, and then he started going for my throat. Thank you for your listening, please subscribe our channel for more hot news.